Number 2, identify all coterminal angles between negative 360 degrees and positive 360 degrees for the angle negative 420 degrees. All right, so first let's talk about what we mean by coterminal angles and what we mean by positive and negative angle measurements. So an angle in its standard position, we're going to have the initial side right here on the positive x-axis. And then from there, positive angles are going to be measured this way, starting at the initial side and going counterclockwise. And negative angles start at the initial side and go clockwise. So an angle of negative 420 degrees starts here at the initial side, goes all the way around, that's 360 degrees, and then it's got to go another 60 degrees beyond that to get to 420 degrees. It's 360 plus 60. And so you're going to have an angle that comes down about like that. And this, it's negative 420. So we're starting here, we're going all the way around and then back down to here. That's negative 420 degrees. And this side of our angle is called the terminal side. This is the initial side, this is the terminal side. And so when we say coterminal, we mean what other angle measures are going to get us to this same place. It's like if I turn 90 degrees in one direction, that same result could be had by me turning 270 degrees in the other direction. That's what's happening here. It's what other ways can we get to the same result where we're facing the same direction. And we want our answers to be between negative 360 degrees and positive 360 degrees. So in the negative direction, we can see that we're going to go straight from here to there. And so that's going to be negative 60 degrees. And we know that because when we went all the way around, that was 360, and then we had to go another 60 degrees. So it's just this 420 minus 360. And then the other way that we could get to here is if we started at this initial side, we went in the positive direction all the way around to here. And that's going to be, if we went all the way around, that would be 360 degrees. We're going all the way around except for that last 60 degrees. So this is going to be 300 degrees. And now when you look for the answer choices on this, notice that the absolute value of these two has always got to equal 360. Because all the way around the circle is 360 degrees. So if we went 300 degrees plus this negative 60 degrees to get back up to the initial side, it's always going to equal 360. So the answer here, the two coterminal angles between negative 360 degrees and positive 360 degrees, that is coterminal with negative 420 degrees, are going to be negative 60 degrees and positive 300 degrees.